John Carpenter causes trouble and acts like an animal. The bad guy jumps on the bed like a pool and cries. If you let him sleep in his room, he will surely pull out a banana and eat it with a smile on his face. He is with his friends nearby, gritting his teeth and pointing at innocent people. The donkey just throws a handful of garbage at the audience. He thinks it's genius. It's a funny baby animal. What the monkey does is throw his arm around the neck to the audience, and he thinks he's smart, even though he's a childish joker. A smart person like a monkey just wants to touch families and children.